Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a fail to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126 in Windows 11 or 10. So if you encounter this, this is because of a pop-up because of the file corrupted, your game file corrupted, or you try to open the two games. So here indicate that DLL file required by program or application is either missing or corrupted. It is very possible the xgameruntime DLL is missing or corrupted. Maybe your antivirus detected this is malware, so it's possible. So to fix this, you can use the PowerShell. You can right click on Windows, or you can try the PowerShell manually here. Here, Windows PowerShell, you can run as administrator and try to copy this get blah 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 thanks to howtoconnect.com to provide this a command line. And also you can update app from Microsoft Store. You can go to the Microsoft Store to update all the application here. And also you can repair and reset gaming service. So you can try to search on the apps, the gaming service. You can repair or you can possibly reset it. And you can modify Windows registry entries. I don't recommend this one if you don't know how to do it. Or you can download Xbox on Windows. You can go to the Google and search Xbox app and download it. Because of Xbox apps contain xgameruntime.dll. Feel free to try to fix it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.